Okay, next question number 3. This is quite a standard question. We're given 2 points now. Find the length, so we can use the length formula. The next, we find the equation. So we have 2 points, we can find equation y equals to mx plus c. And then find the coordinates where the line cuts the x-axis. So this line AB here cut x-axis. This is similar to the previous question. So we find x-intercept, we will substitute y equals to 0, and then we'll get the coordinates. And then finally find the equation of line with 1 point. So this is given as the point. The point is origin, so origin is 0, 0, and then the gradient will be the gradient of AB. So pretty standard question for question number 3. So I'm going to show you roughly what are the answers for question number 3. So number 3 here, given A and B. Okay, use the formula. So and you have an answer of 8.49. So this is the square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So again, write down the coordinates at the top so that you can know and substitute nicely where are the x2, where is the x1, where is the y2, where is the y1 easily. Okay, the next question, we have question to find the equation of AB. So as a good practice, write A and B at the side. So these are all the given coordinates, and we can proceed to find the M and the C. So M, given formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So again, with the coordinates at the side, you can easily refer to. So we have 4 minus negative 2, 1 minus negative 5. So that will be an answer of 1. So replace the M by 1. I have y equals to 1x plus c. To get c, I will use one of the points. So 1, 4 is a good choice. So x equals to 1, y equals to 4. Substitute into the equation y equals to x plus c, 1x plus c. So 4 replace y here, and then 1 is replacing x. So 4 equals to 1 plus c, and I will get a value of c equals to 3. So final answer, this c here now becomes 3. So y equals to 1x plus 3. And the final answer will be y equals to x plus 3. Okay, next part of the question. Again, we have the line AB. Now we have to find the coordinates on the x-axis. So we find x-intercept. Substitute x equals to 0. Okay, so this is a standard step to find x-intercept. Substitute x equals to 0. So the line has been given, or not given, you have already derived in part B. So y equals to x plus 3 here. So we just substitute y equals to 0 inside here. So you will get 0 equals to x plus 3. So 0 equals to x plus 3. Eventually you will get x equals to negative 3. So since y is 0, my y coordinates is 0. Since x equals to negative 3, x coordinate will be negative 3. So this will be the answer for the coordinates on the x-axis. So negative 3 for x, and then 0 for y. Okay, so the last part of the question, you are given a point. Okay, it was origin. So this is origin, 0, 0. And the gradient is the same as AB, and the gradient is 1 from the previous part B. So which previous part B is it? If you look at 3B just now, we already have a value of m equals to 1 for the equation of AB. So this is the gradient of AB, 1. Okay, so with m equals to 1, my y equals to mx plus c becomes y equals to 1x plus c. And then I will substitute 0 and 0 for x and y, because I'm using x0, y0. So y has been replaced by 0, x replaced by 0, and up 0 equals to 0 plus c. C is 0 plus 0 minus 0, so everything is 0. So y equals to 1x plus the c is now 0, so 0. So 1 times x is x, so y equals to x plus 0. So plus 0 you can remove it, you will have y equals to x as the equation of the line.